Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am starting my decluttering and minimalist-ish ways. I'm not going like total minimalist, especially with the kids stuff, because I'm not gonna force what I want on them. They like their things, they like their toys, but we are going to downsize and we are going to declutter and organize. So they had so many clothes. It's so overwhelming because they can't physically keep them clean. You don't even know what you have. It's a mess. So by no way do they have like a minimalist closet or anything like that, but it is downsized and organized. So let me show you her room. This is the first room of the entire house. Somebody dropped a plate. The first room of the entire house that I'm doing. So next is my bedroom and my clothes. My son's room is gonna be after the holidays because he has a new dresser coming. And then I'm gonna be going room by room by room through my entire house. So let me show you her room. So the kids used to share a room, so I have to take out all that stuff. That stuff is all my son's. That's all gonna go to his room. And I'm gonna organize these bins. These clothes I don't know if I'm gonna move them up yet. I haven't decided, but this is coming out and I have this gonna go in there for her shoes and her toys because she's been like stepping on this one and it's just not functional. So this one will go on its side and it will, or should, work a little better. So I'm gonna start by emptying out all of this stuff.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest.
So now I'm just going through all of her clothes. This is all the stuff that was in the closet. So there's some of my son's stuff and there's some of my daughter's stuff. And I'm just honestly just being ruthless. Like that green dress, she never wears it. That purple shirt, she never wears it. There is so many things that she just doesn't wear. So anything she does not wear, it was out, or if it was close to not being the right size. So there's just so many clothes, I just honestly couldn't keep them all. So it's a lot better, and now she actually wears some of these things because we remember that she has them.
Beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try life when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive faster.
So now starting with her dresser, I did the same process with the closet. Anything that was not the right size or didn't fit her right, it left, and also anything that she does not wear went out. So, I mean, I made the executive decision because there's things like she wouldn't have kept 2 pairs of black leggings that she wears as tights and she wears as leggings. She, pajama drawer, forget it. So I actually moved all the pajamas to another drawer because there was just too many to fit in that small drawer.
I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side. I miss you. Take you off, I came here way too strong. Cannot keep it low key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof. Auto, your taste. It's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post.
The kids have now joined the party and are helping me, kind of helping, dancing and doing all sorts of stuff. But we're just kind of going through some toys, seeing what we can get rid of, and just kind of going through this whole little toy box that we have and making sure everything is organized. So there's not much in here. There's like Barbie stuff. There's her LOL dolls and a few other things, like mainly Legos, but I just had her kind of organizing that while I was working on everything else.
But you're off my radar now. I've lost you. I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
These 2 drawers in her bed, one had like sweaters and things like that in there, which seems like a good idea at the time because they were sharing a room and I never switched it over, but she just kind of dumped a bunch of stuff in there. Like they have to put away their own laundry, so she ended up just kind of storing some things in there instead of putting them away. So now I just moved all her blankets and sheets in that left side drawer, and then on the other side is all her stuffed animals.
Just tore me up into bits. I wish I knew how to call it quits. I should know by now how to live without her. I'm in the dark. When I make my way, I stumble and I fall. I'm a blind man without escape. I'm the ocean without the waves. The radio's playing songs, telling me that I should try to move on.
So this is now the closet. So I have all her dresses hung up here. Some of them were in her dresser and they just kind of got really messy. So yes, we hung them all up here. What pink one I used to have? Oh, the hanger, yep. So all of her dresses are now hung up here. There's also some sweaters and some like little, yes, and then some different long sleeve shirts and things like that. So, but mainly her dresses. Then on this little shelf here, we just have her jewelry box, we have her piggy bank, her lotion, her box of tissues, and in this little bin back here, all of her bathing suits and her baseball hat. Excuse me.
Wait, I have a baseball hat?
Yeah, your elephant one. Then down here, I moved her American Girl doll stuff into the corner here because this is new in her closet for her shoes, and it was a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. So, which is fine. It fits all her shoes in her dance bag, which is everything it was supposed to hold. And in here, I just have her iPad, her charger, and her headphones. And then in here, she has her little pocketbook and her 2 pairs of slippers. And then in this little thing, which was left over from her birthday party, we just have all the little small pieces to her American Girl doll things.
And new sneakers.
And your new sneakers, yep. Smile.
Wait, are those feelings?
Yes, they are. And then her doll here, and then her little doll chair. And then in all of here is... in her Rapunzel stuff, yep.
And I also
is
have
all of...
American Girl credit card.
Yep, is all of the American Girl doll, mostly all the clothes. So, excuse me, Austin. So just kind of keep this clean. She just has some of her little like trinkets, her dance trophy, and her diffuser. In this top drawer is just her underwear and tank tops. And then here is all her pajamas. Is all of her sweatshirts. And in here is all of her short sleeve shirts and her long sleeve shirts. What's in the last drawer, Leighton? That one too, yep. What's in there? Socks and tights.
Are these mine?
They're gonna be yours. Yes, very good. And then her bed in this drawer here is just her... Please. Thank you. In this drawer here in her bed is just her extra blankets and her extra pair of sheets. And in here is all her stuffed animals. And then in this little toy cabinet is all of her Barbie accessories and her LOL doll. So on top she's got some Christmas decorations, and she also has some Legos that she's been playing with, and building, yes. And then right over here is just her Barbie dream house. And then on this side we have her big doll and her high chair, and then just her little chair there. So, and that is it. So everything, yes. That's the ceiling. So everything has been organized and everything has a home. Let's hope we keep it that way. Right, Leighton?
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and so you don't miss any of the future cleaning and organizing and decluttering videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.